We are packing this one up. We're going to be combining it with the newspaper method. First time I'm doing this, so we'll see what happens. But I've got a second box from frames that we're going to use to put it on the other one. So one of my hives, the other place turned aggressive, so we're gonna nip that in the bud, hopefully. All right, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. All right, here we are with the aggressive hive that we're going to do the newspaper method on. And my lovely newspaper here. It's a little more glossy than usual, but hey, whatever. It still rips like paper. So, what we're gonna do, what I've seen Dirt Rooster do and some others, is you get, and they're kind of clustered. Just kind of, let's try to get everybody off the top here. There we go. Don't want them to be prematurely introduced. Now they might get pissy because I didn't smoke them. So we'll see. Newspaper on. Okay. So this is the other hive. Gonna line this up as best we can. And then we need to get our, oh, don't have my knife. Hold on, get my knife. Okay. So what we need to do here, take a sharp knife and just sort of, hopefully you can see what I'm doing here. Just a couple inch little holes between the frames. That's 4. We'll do 5. Just the tip of the knife, like right to there. You don't want a big hole. You want them to do the work, and you want the smells to mix. So we'll go get the other hive real quick. Be right back. Okay, we're back again. Here's the hive we're gonna put into here. We've already made the cuts. We've had an internal feeder in here. You can see it's getting pretty, basically dusk. Great time to do this because they won't really be, oh, see how many there? Man, this really exploded since last time. They barely had enough to cover one frame, so I'm glad to see these girls are doing good. So we're gonna go ahead and get these ladies in here. And then we're gonna go as fast as possible because we want them, as many of them in here as we can. Okay, there's bees on every frame. I do love these little 6-frame B-Max nukes. There's a few bees getting rolled. I don't want that. Let's get them in as soon as possible without squishing these bees that are on the rails. The queen should be on this or the next frame. And they're packing it in. I don't know if you can see that, but I got a bunch. I have not marked this queen, but she's pretty good size. can see she is laying, and it looks like they're starting to backfill, so this is probably the best thing for both hives at this point. Gotta watch out, this might get unbalanced and fall over. And here we are. This is that virgin queen that I pulled out and just made a nuke out of it and said, let's see what happens. And she's been doing well. They're very docile, as you can see. I haven't smoked them. They're not trying to kill me. I'm just trying to see if I can find the queen before we complete this little transaction. But I haven't seen her yet. Okay, well, we'll check later. Gotta get this wagon train moving. Hopefully she wasn't in the top there. Hopefully the light's not too dim. I think the light's brighter than I think it is because I got my veil on. So they're packing it away. That's good. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Man, I'm glad I brought this extra one. I'm glad I brought this extra one. I almost didn't. Okay. Well, there's still quite a few in the hive here. And there's quite a bit on there and in there. Okay, this will be interesting. Everybody's fanning. Everybody should be finding their way to their new home. Top is empty. This is not. And there's a lot of sugar water in here. So, I guess I don't want to waste all this sugar water. Okay, better. Let's rescue as many as we can. Come on, little girl. I always try to rescue as many bees as I can because getting into winter here, you never know. You need as many bees as you can have. And even a handful of bees can make or break a hive at this point, so you really want to make sure you got them all squared away as much as possible. Now I'm going to put this on here so they keep feeding. Couple more stragglers. That's what you get for being on a backcountry road. Every single Sunday they're plowing on through. Some unfortunate mishaps there. Okay. Nobody else is moving. Make sure that's sealed so no one gets dead. Still some bees in here, as you see. So we're gonna tap, tap, tappy poo. Tap, tap, tappy poo. Get as many as we can in for aforementioned reasons. Got one on the outside. Okay, well, it might be as good as we're gonna get. Let's see if there's anybody left straggled over here. Quite a few. Knock, knock. Who's there? No one else. Okay. Gotta be swift, but you have to have purpose. Be swift, but move with purpose. That's the key. I feel pretty comfortable with these ladies, but not that comfortable. See what three days brings. Okay, got them nice and lined up. This is your home now. One more saved. Come on, little girl. And this will force them to go below also. Okay, excellent. I do have some more food for them, but that's actually quite a bit, so we're gonna let them eat that first. So we're gonna put the notch up. Sorry, little girl. And you ladies, you're a little stuck. Okay, notch up. Let me use a little bit of this just to block this notch so they don't try to get in that way. There you go. Put your cover on. Let this girl get out of the way. Slide the cover backwards so they don't get in. And that's how it should look. Newspaper, queenless hive on the bottom, the green. Newspaper, white, is the queen right hive. Hopefully they're just going to intermingle. I'll come back in a few days, make sure the queen's there, make sure everybody's behaving, and then I'll probably move the brood frames from here down there, because they have almost, the green has almost no stores, but they have a ton of bees, so they should be good. All right, well, that's it. Let's wrap it up. Pretty dark. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.